I was able to achieve my goals, make more money, create my dream life without the constant hustle, grind, and burnout, but actually living a soft, feminine life. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about high paying, low stress, feminine career choices. As a previous type A, go-getting, toxic ambition, boss babe woman, I realized that my career was killing me. I didn't have any work-life balance. I was still struggling financially, even though I was working extremely hard. My spirit was too soft to be in that environment, and the constant stress and pressure was creating an imbalance in my hormones and functional depression. I just wanted to live a soft life, to be beautiful, to have fun, and be financially comfortable. So I created a feminine business that's high paying and low stress, and I'll go into my feminine career choices later on in the video. The first feminine career choice is being an executive assistant for people with higher positions like CEOs, directors, founders, etc. You can make from 60 to 90,000 pounds a year. I follow this woman on Instagram. I'll put her page somewhere here, and she's been an EA for billionaires and founders in Australia, London, and I believe she's currently in Croatia. She exudes softness and femininity and appears to be living a luxury, abundant life. She's knowledgeable, she's well cultured, she's well traveled and well put together because she's been able to leverage the mindset, habits and routines of the wealthy people that she works for. It's a perfect career choice for you to explore different countries, but if you're not flexible, there are remote opportunities. But being an EA for wealthy people will require more in-person responsibilities. The next feminine career choice is being a dentist, where you could earn up to 200,000 a year, and it will be significantly more if you're privatizing and attracting high-paying clients. I took my daughter to the dentist for the first time a couple of months ago during peak time, and there were only 3 people in the waiting room. I had a female dentist and she had a dental nurse basically assisting her during the appointment. The appointment lasted all of 20 minutes for both me and my daughter, and I'm not even going to say how much we paid. Dentistry is one of the most low-stress career choices in healthcare, but it's important to know that it is high investment because you do need to have qualifications in order for you to practice. However, the return of investment of having less pressure and having more money is definitely worth it. The next feminine career choice is having a cosmetics business like injectables, anti-aging, fat loss treatment. One thing about us women, we want to look good. We're willing to pay to look good. I was invited to a reopening of an injectables clinic in Harley Street. First of all, that clinic is absolutely gorgeous, and you can only imagine, with it being located in Harley Street, the caliber of clients that they will be attracting. The treatments range from £100 to £3,000. You obviously have to be a trained practitioner to facilitate these treatments, but if you're already a registered nurse and you're thinking about pivoting in your career, this is a no-brainer career pivot for you because you have the transferable skills, it's low stress, and it's high paying. The great thing with the cosmetic business is you're more than likely to have returning customers as well as attracting new customers. And staying with skincare, you can transition into dermatology, where you become a medical expert in the field. Even though it's in the medical field, it's still low stress and high paying. I'm going to put you on into a little secret. Any service or business that has a higher barrier of entry and has waiting lists is more than likely less stressful. So even if you choose to work in the medical field, specializing in dermatology, gynecology, is still less stressful than working in a hospital, working in A&E, because the barrier of entry is lower in those fields. The next feminine career choice is anything associated with luxury PR, luxury real estate, luxury spa. There's a reason why in the US you have Target, Walmart and Trader Joe's. There's a reason why in the UK we have Aldi, Tesco and Waitrose. There's a reason there's Primark, Zara, COS, Dior. All those brands are selling the same thing, but they're speaking to different people, which means the prices are different. So if you're in real estate and you're selling houses and apartments, you need to sell more houses and apartments in order for you to make more money. But if you're in luxury real estate and you're selling $1 million, $10 million homes, you can make more money even when you sell less homes. Having a luxury service or product is a low stress feminine career because you don't have to work as hard for providing the same service, selling the same product, somebody who's charging significantly less. 9 times out of 10, there issue isn't what you're selling or the service that you're providing. It's who you're selling to and who you're providing the service to. People make the assumption that wealthy people don't have problems. Wealthy people have wealthy problems, but they also have regular problems and will only get the solution from people who are speaking directly to them. The next feminine career choice is interior design. My mom, God rest her soul, was a full-time kept woman and part-time interior designer. She was an extrovert and loved to host people, so people would come into the house and would fall in love with her decor, furniture and interior design, and would practically beg her to design their homes, and she would get more clients through referrals. Looking back, she was definitely undercharging, but she was doing it more as a passion project. Then we have Melissa's Wardrobe, who's one of the most influential influencers here in the UK, who started off by showing the decor in her mum's house where she was living at the time. She got her clients that way. I recently watched a vlog by Krista Nicole where she used a virtual interior designer to help her with her living room home decor. There's literally so many ways to go around being an interior designer, which allows you to be creative, do something that you're passionate about without the stress. I know there's high profile interior designers who work on big projects, who work with big businesses, which can be more stressful. The next feminine career choice is content creating, which is one of my career choices. I work in the comfort of my closet, my bedroom, my living room, a hotel, a spa, a cafe, because I started betting on myself and stopped caring what people thought about me. According to the Bible, King Solomon used the wisdom that God had given him to write 1005 songs and 3000 proverbs, which reached so many kingdoms and so many lands. In current terms, he went viral on social media for walking in his purpose. He walked in his servitude, which went viral because of the wisdom that he was sharing. Your fear of being seen is keeping you broke. Your fear of being seen is keeping you in a job that you absolutely hate, that stresses you out. A lot of people have so many gifts, so many talents, so much knowledge that the world never gets to see because they're scared. They're scared of failure. They're scared of looking stupid. They're scared of failing in front of people. They procrastinate. They start and they stop. Social media isn't just about sharing your outfits, sharing what restaurants you've been at, sharing your highlight reels. It's an opportunity to create social impact, to walk in your servitude by sharing your gifts, by sharing your talent, sharing your knowledge. The Bible says, instruct the wise and they will be wiser still. Teach the righteous and they will add to their learning. God blessed us with different gifts and talents so we can pour into each other. In as much as feminine abundance is my area of expertise and I'm able to teach it in a way that's relatable and understandable, there's still a lot of things that I don't know and I had to learn from other people. And I am still learning every single day. The amount of gems that I pick up from TikTok, I'm going to be very upset if the TikTok ban comes into effect, but I'm constantly learning from other people about things that I didn't even know that I needed to learn. When you change your perspective of what creating content is, you will stop robbing yourself of the wealth, abundance, soft life, low stress that comes with creating content. The next feminine career choice is something that I'm actually considering going into myself, and that's being an image consultant and or a stylist. I get a lot of messages from women asking my help of how to not only become more feminine internally, but how to present more feminine. This is something that I took for granted because even in my IG baddie days, I've always had style. I was able to rebrand and reinvent myself into a soft feminine woman, and that might not come naturally to everybody. Talk about this when I say how your appearance is your brand and impacts how people see you, perceive you and treat you, and how to use your pretty privilege to attract abundance. And that's something we're going to be delving into on day 2 of the Feminine Abundance 5-day challenge. So if you have great style and if you present well, you can consider turning this into a business where you're either working one-to-one with people or you're working with people as a group. Depending on how you structure and position yourself, this is a very high paying business, and it's also low stress because you're working on your own terms, you're doing something creative, you're doing something that you love and being paid for it. The next feminine career choice, which is also one of my career choices, is coaching. Coaching is essentially teaching your gift or talent that you might even take for granted, but some somebody desperately needs. It's low stress because of the flexibility that comes with it. You can decide how many clients you want to work with. You can decide when you want to take on clients or when you don't want to take on clients. Whether you want to work on a one-to-one basis, whether you want to have a group package, it is fulfilling because you are sharing and teaching something that comes naturally to you. You are walking in your servitude. There's so many other high-paying, low-stress, feminine career choices that I didn't include in today's video because the video would have been too long. So let me know if you'd like to see a part 2 of this video. The message here is you don't have to hustle like a man to be successful or to make money. You can have a feminine career choice that's low stress and high paying so you can live a soft life, be beautiful, have fun, and be financially comfortable. Like this video if you want to see more videos on femininity and abundance. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you're notified every single time that I upload a video. I will see you in the next upcoming video. Mwah. Bye, lovelies.